Hello, this is Harry Chai from Ask Communication. Now I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can update or renovate or renew your domain if you have a Namecheap account. This process you can use in different domain, for example iPage or any other version host you have, you can use, but basically this is for Namecheap. For this process you have to open Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Safari, whatever you want. I'm in Mac computer, in iMac. You can use Windows, is the same. I open to Google Chrome. Here we go. In the Chrome I go to my Namecheap account. You have to go inside your account, your username and password. It's sign in. In product, I not find my domain. Here you see expired or expired. My domain is close to expire. I hit this button. So here you see expire, profharry.com renew. 20 January 2022, it gonna expire. So in 3 days from now, today is 16, 4 days from now it's gonna expire. Today is 16, so I have to update or renew my account. In this case you see here renew, not renew. If you want to decline this domain you can decline. I want to renew. Here this button add to cards. You can put auto renew every year. It can auto renew by itself, or if you want to do manually, I recommend manually. But every year you have to remember and do by yourself, or put auto as you like. I hit this button, I add this one in the cart, and here you see in the cart I have the billing option. I go view the cart and I have to pay this amount. So whatever I have to pay, ICNN fee is 16 cents in euro. And the domain renew for 1 year. You can do 1 year, 2 year as you want, 3 year as you like. Whatever I put for 1 year. Here we go 12.21 euro, and no other hidden fee. I have total. You have to check that they charge you any other option. No total here. 12.37 euro. So 12.37 euro I have to pay to renew this domain. If you have more domain you can do the same. Confirm order, you have to hit this one. Okay, you can pay with different option, PayPal, and you can pay with credit card as well. After doing all this option, you see continue here. Automatic renew option if you want. I don't put automatic. I hit save configuration. For default payment I save this one. I hit continue button. Okay, all is looking good. If everything is fine, total $14.16. I hit pay now. Is all information is done. Download, you have a receipt, you can download. Payment is done. Thank you for your purchase. I download here the receipt. So it's done. Now we'll go to our account dashboard, and I will put here domain list. So I see my domain. I have two domain. You see Prof Harry is still 2023, and I have RS Communication. This I have to renew. So this is how you can renew your domain in Namecheap or any other version of hosting you have. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye bye.